Hi guys, it's Dave from Car Crackers again. Just thought I'd do a quick introduction to this video. So this is the Goodwood Festival of Speed 2015, which in my opinion is probably the best one so far. Absolutely excellent, the range of cars. But this particular video is of the Mazda celebration, especially their rotary engine racing cars. Basically they brought them down the hill after a run up the hill, back down in front of Goodwood House for a bit of a photo opportunity for the Mazda RX to get their photos and things. But yeah, it's just absolutely weird. It's so strange sort of seeing the cars in an alien environment like that. They're that low to the ground and they're literally coming in on the gravel, and it's, you think, oh, don't bottom out, come on. But yeah, it's very cool. It's weird seeing cars that shouldn't be there on that sort of environment. But it's great as well when you see the rotary cars. All of the rotary cars sound incredible, but then you know everyone is just waiting. They're going 787B. Where's the 787B? It's a 787B! Oh! You can just see everyone, even people who don't know about Le Mans, just seem to go rotary, orange and green, and they're just everyone loves the 787B, and it's just the sound at idle, the sound at revs, just the little blips on the throttle, just everything. Just sorry guys, I'm waffling on. Hope you enjoy the video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Cheers.